Alright, quick weekly trading check-in. I'll walk through the trades I made last week, what I'm looking to do this week, and the stocks I'm keeping on my radar. Let's get into it. First move, I closed out my Nvidia puts. They were basically worth nothing at that point. And once a trade has already paid me, I don't like leaving extra on the table. Why give money back, right? So I just bought them back and wrapped it up. Second, I bought some Bitcoin using IBIT. I talked about watching this last week. Bitcoin got cheap and it felt too good to ignore. When Bitcoin drops over 20% from all-time highs, I like adding a little exposure. Now on to the future opportunities in the market. The main thing on my radar this week is Nvidia. I'm looking to sell puts, but only if the price drops to a level where the premium actually makes sense. No reason to force it. If Nvidia gives me a clean pullback, great, I'll take the trade. If not, I'm happy to sit on my hands and wait. Next up, the stocks I'm keeping an eye on, but not jumping into yet. First, the health insurers, Molina Healthcare and Oscar Health, and then a couple of advertisers. With Molina Healthcare, I noticed Michael Burry is also interested and has already invested. I've been watching this one for a while though, and management keeps revising their outlook lower. I want to see them get a better handle on the company's future before I step in. Then there's Oscar Health. I'm looking at this one for even more upside among the health insurers. On the advertising side, I'm watching The Trade Desk, which we covered earlier on the channel, and ZETA Group. Both have exposure to connected TV advertising, the stuff you see on Hulu or Netflix. That industry is booming, and I want my cut. Now for the macro and market news drops that I'm waiting for. These could shake things up. First, the central bank decision and Jay Powell's comments. The Fed just lowered rates, which changes the risk reward for some of my trades. It's not a reason to go crazy, but it does shift how I size positions. Second, the jobs report. I thought the data was coming out last Friday, but it's now scheduled for December 16th. I don't think it's a huge deal, but the market still reacts and it's a data point to pay attention to. Well, that's the plan for this week. Did you make any trades last week? Got any trades you're thinking of? Drop them in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and join me on Discord. Link in the description. See you there soon. Bye.